Hi there. Today we will discuss about a simple object which is the drawing area. Just click on Start Drawing and open a new drawing area. The drawing area covers the major portion of the screen. In this area you can draw objects and use commands. To draw objects, you need to define the coordinate point that can be selected by using the pointing device. The position of the pointing device is represented on the screen by the cursor. And actually, today I will discuss about a tips which is you can hide all screen components such as toolbar, ribbon, for these tips just you can press your keypad Ctrl+0 key. When I press my keypad Ctrl and 0 and we are showing all our toolbars and ribbons are hide, and when I press Ctrl and 0 then again unhide all our toolbars and ribbons. Just press Ctrl and 0. So friends, I hope you are showing a tips in the drawing area. Thank you today.